If you're wondering how to get the output shaft out of a TH350, I got great news for you. The answer is about to be revealed. I'm even going to show you the best tool for the job. Yes, you have to take the pan off. Yes, you have to take the valve body off. Yes, you got to get the pump out. The first two drums come out. And right down here is the snap ring. Once I've turned it to the point where I can see the gap on that snap ring, then I get these special snap ring pliers. This pair is a Mac, but the part numbers wore off. And my other pair is a Blue Point, and the part numbers wore off of them too. What's special about them is this tip right here. See how the tip is made? If you know anywhere other than Tool Truck that these can be got, please let me know so that I can pass that information on in the description to everyone else to help them out. All right, the points have got to point in so you can get hold to the snap ring. And I bought these snap ring pliers like 30 years ago, so I don't know if they're still available or anything. There we go. You see it rise up out of there a little bit? Now, no, it fell back down in there. I was going to say I'll get the pick and get it the rest of the way out. But trying to do this with one hand so I can get the camera in there. Oh yeah, look at that. I got it up high enough I won't even have to get the pick. There we go. Now we got her. Right there. Now sometimes it'll just come out, and sometimes these teeth will be boogered up a little bit and it'll fight you. So it's best to pull the planetaries and stuff out first before trying to get the output shaft the rest of the way out. Ain't that right, Shop Cat? You gonna finish this up for me? What was that? Yeah, it's not boogered up because that planetary come right off there real easy. The sun clear out of here. And now this right here, I use a really wide blade screwdriver. It's just some old Craftsman I got way back when they were American made and Sears was a thing. I actually had a contract with Sears. I built transmissions for them for many years. Not the whole 25 years I was building transmissions, but several of those years. There we go. Just put it in there and twist. And now, these can be a real booger bear because of the anti-clunk spring here. Oh, and don't lose that. Those are really hard to find. I've sold just about every one I've ever had and still get way more requests for buying them than I do getting them. I shouldn't have had my fingers in there when I turned that up, because if that falls down, it come down and take the tips of my fingers off. So lift this up. I'm using like a slide hammer. Bang it a little bit. If that doesn't work, pick the whole thing up. Well, I've got a big rubber mat down here in case this happens and it doesn't want to come out. I don't want to hammer the case or anything on concrete floor. So that's why I've got this thick rubber mat. Pick the thing up. Ooh, this one is being a real booger bear. There we go. Finally. It's all out. Let me grab the camera and show you. It's all just laying right there in one clump. I see one of the reasons why it was somebody just kept driving and kept driving when the low reverse was burned up. There is your output shaft, the rear planet, and all. And there's another snap ring. See if you can get to the edge of that where you can see it. The next snap ring, these pliers right here are really good at manipulating. Right there's the opening. And once you get that snap ring off, get the internal ring gear off of there, and you have the output shaft. So I hope that helps to get you unstuck if you're stuck at the output shaft. And I do have a complete teardown video on one of these transmissions. And in the other corner, I'll put the link to the whole transmission repair playlist. What do you think of that shop cat? Oh, he's bored with transmissions. I guess you can see why I keep all the nice cars covered up. Shop cat, what are you doing? Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.